Okay, so Gini coefficient. We're going to talk about five different countries now and talk about their Gini coefficients and why they might be like they are. First one is Finland. Finland has the lowest Gini coefficient of any country. This is probably because of Finland's really well developed welfare state and general great education and equality for everyone living in the country. South Africa has the second highest Gini coefficient in the world, and this is partly because it's a very corrupt and segregated country, so it has a huge inequality, and a lot of the society in South Africa doesn't really work together as well as in many other states. So South Africa are kind of behind on that front. The United States has a lot of poor people as well as a lot of rich, and that's really the reason why it's not higher than it is. It's kind of in like a middle state. It's not totally good, but it kind of equals itself out because there are so huge differences in general economy in the United States. China has just recently begun industrializing after civil wars, and they're trying to get stability in the country. So their Gini coefficient um, is slowly falling as they're getting a hold of the country, but it's still kind of high because so many people live in China, so it's very hard to reach a stability um, in the economy of every individual. Hungary is a small country, and the reason the Gini coefficient is so low is not necessarily because they have it well in the country, but because there isn't really a big inequality. The majority of the people living there are poor, and that's the reason it isn't higher than it is.